communication are core to successful living in the 21st century. Competency is a set of skills, abilities, knowledge that helps an individual perform a given task in real life. Every learning should go into the imbibing of skills that will help the individual perform tasks or take actions to lead a productive and joyful life. What is competency based education? Competency based learning is an approach to education that focuses on the student's demonstration of desired learning outcomes as central to the learning process. It is concerned chiefly with a student's progression through curriculum at their own pace, depth, etc. As competencies are proven, students continue to progress. It is similar to mastery-based learning, with the primary differences being that competency-based learning often focuses on observable skills or competencies, while mastery learning may be academic as likely to focus on concepts as skills. So now we will understand what is knowledge, skills and abilities in a brief. First, knowledge. Knowledge is the conceptual and theoretical understanding of the subject. It is a visible characteristics that can be easily developed through a competency-based education. Number two, skills. A measurable and observable proficiency that can be learned through training and experience. It is a visible characteristics that can be easily developed through a good competency-based education. Next, abilities. A vast underlying capacity or talent essential to learn and apply knowledge and skills. It is a hidden characteristics which develops without formal instruction. 5 points working definition of CBE. CBE, as you know, stands for competency based education. Number 1 point is demonstrated mastery. Second, well defined competencies and learning outcomes. Number 3, meaningful assessments and a positive learning experience. Number 4, differentiated support based on individual learning needs. Number 5, application of competencies and creation of knowledge, skills and dispositions. 6 components of CBE. These are the major 6 components which will be in a CBE. First is clearly defined learning outcomes, flexibility of time frame, multiple pedagogy, variety of engaging content, criteria referenced testing, demonstrated learning outcomes. So here are some explanation of the above 6 points, in which first is clearly defined learning outcomes. In terms of what knowledge and skills will be acquired by the students. Flexibility of time frame. It gives flexibility of time frame to students to achieve learning outcomes at their own pace. Multiple pedagogy. It uses multiple pedagogies and classroom activities that form the basis of learning, focusing on learner-centered classroom. Number 4, variety of engaging content. It ensures availability of a variety of engaging content for both teacher and learner, focusing on inquiry-based education. Criteria referenced testing. Assessment of learning outcomes through criteria referenced testing. Number 6, demonstrated learning outcomes. It certifies level of learning based on demonstrated learning outcomes. Next है impact of competency based education. The first impact is students participate in learning program. Number 2, teacher learner interaction. Number 3, creative and learner centered method. Number 4, technique to enhance students learning. Number 5, flexibility to use variety of strategies based on different types of learning to students. Number 6, focuses on quality of learning education. In this topic, in the readiness of competency-based education, there will be around 5 stages. The first stage is trying to understand CBE. Stage 2, discussing to consider CBE. Stage 3, planning to start CBE. Stage 4, percently providing in few grades and subject. Stage 5, presently providing in all grades and subjects. How CBE is different from traditional system of education? So इसके अंदर 8 पैरामीटर्स हैं, जिसमें फर्स्ट है आउटकम्स, माइंडसेट, कल्चर, सपोर्ट सिस्टम, पेडागोगी, असेसमेंट, प्रोफिशिएंसी स्टैंडर्ड एंड एडवांसमेंट. आउटकम्स, जो भी पैरामीटर्स अभी हमने देखे उसमें फर्स्ट है आउटकम्स. एंड आउटकम्स में ट्रेडिशनल मेथड वर्सेस सीबीई मेथड, दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है? लेट्स सी. ट्रेडिशनल मेथड इट्स अ नैरो इटसेल्फ एंड इन सीबीई इट इज अ ब्रॉड एंड होलिस्टिक. In traditional method there is remembering and understanding, comprehension of content and memorization. On the other hand, in CBE there will be deep understanding of concepts, demonstration of skills. In traditional educational mindsets, it is fixed, identify achievers and underachiever based on ranks and marks. Whether on the other hand, in CBE education mindset, growth oriented, responsible for learning of all students based on mastery of learning outcomes. On the basis of culture, in traditional education, it focuses on compliance and order. But on the other hand, in CBE, it focuses on empowering and nurturing inclusive culture. Number 4 parameter, support system. In support system, in traditional educational need-based support system to the one significantly above or below the norms, whether in competency education, differentiated instruction and timely support to all the students. The 5th parameter is pedagogy. Traditional educational में single curriculum which was based on age, and in CBE based on the principle of learning sciences. Learning sciences is an interdisciplinary field on understanding the educational context and strategies that promote learning, relying on insights from fields such as cognitive and psychology about how students learn, develop understanding around concepts. Personalized learning pathway. Now, the last parameter is assessment. In assessment, traditional method follows assessment of learning, summative, checks what students know, one size fit all approach. But in CBE, assessment as learning and assessment for learning will follow. Formative, ongoing, diagnostic, aligned to learning outcomes and individual pathway. Criteria reference assessments that measure the attainment of learning outcomes are essential feature of CBE. It involves objective as well as performance assessments. Objective assessment have predetermined correct responses, items like MCQs, oral responses to questions and short answer written responses based on what students know and how to do. In performance assessment, focus remains on what learners can do with their knowledge, involving assessments of critical thinking, synthesis and affective and psychomotor skills. Reporting of assessment result is done on the basis of rubrics, and students must be able to demonstrate required level of competency in order to progress to higher grades. Now, proficiency standard. education. In traditional education, proficiency standards are different standards determine proficiency level of students. But in CBE, consistent and reliable standard of student proficiency and holds all the students to the same standards having clear rubrics. Advancement. Traditional education, the advanced to the next grade level after a year, regardless of what they actually learned. But in CBE, advanced to the next grade level after demonstrating mastery of learned skills. Now, as summary, distinguishing parameters are all those what we have learned already. In first, outcomes, then the traditional education system and competency-based education. So here is a summary. Outcomes, memorization and understanding of academic content, and in CBE, demonstration of learned knowledge and skills. And in mindset, here in traditional education, there is a fixed mindset, and in CBE, there is growth mindset. And on behalf of culture, here in traditional education, culture of compliance, but in CBE, culture of empowerment. Support system, in traditional education, need-based support to some students, but in CBE, differentiated instruction and support to all the students. Pedagogy, single curriculum for all students. In CBE, individual learning pathway for each student. On behalf of assessment, in traditional method, one size fit all approach has followed, but in CBE, personalized learning approach. Proficiency standard, different meaning for different people. In CBE, consistent meaning for everyone. Advancement, it is time based, and the CBE is learning based. Quality design principles that facilitate the development of CBE. The first, purpose and culture design principles, teaching and learning design principles, structure design principles. So first, purpose and culture design principles. So in purpose and culture design principle, A is clear purpose and second is a vibrant culture. Competency-based education is a purpose-driven system focused on ensuring all the students' success in an elaborate manner and develop knowledge, competencies, and lifelong learning skills. Prepare the students for their future roles in college, career, and life. Fulfills an understanding of students' vision for their lives. Number 4, addresses inequity, emphasizes on equitable education system. Every student should receive what they need in order to succeed. Number 5, opportunities for teachers to know every student so that they can flexible respond to their individual needs. Next, learning through expression and exchange ideas. Number 7, develops and promotes leadership in educators and students alike. Next, leadership qualities can be nurtured in everyone, including students. Number 9, students and teachers make decisions in partnership with each other. Number 10, enable teachers to respond to students' need in real life. Higher quality CBE focuses on a vibrant culture. A high quality CBE focuses on establishing vibrant culture in school. Culture is a broad entity and it can be understood by day-to-day interaction. It is interpreted through belief, perception, relationship, attitudes, practices, rituals and routines, rules of a school. A culture of learning and inclusivity. All students must feel physically and emotionally safe to be ready to learn. School ensure that safety, trust, interpersonal bonding are practiced in the school premises. Personalized support to build mastery around concepts and skills. Learning is not a time-based, sequential, and constructive